Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am showing you how to make thumbnails. This is who gave me the ideas. Go subscribe to him, he'll be in the link in the description. But anyways, first you need to get Photoshop if you already have it. This is what I made. So I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so I'm just going to create new. But since I've already got one, I'm going to put everything because the babies. So, this is all the numbers you can use. This is for montages, just saying. So I'm going to put this back to where it was. It would have been here. It would have been there. So, there's loads of different backgrounds. Oh yeah, you would have started off with something like this. So you just take that welcome off, show this. And then, so these will be the ones you, so you'll see this one as soon as you get on. And then you can just choose any one. I'll just use this one for the example. You do this. You do duplicate layer. Then you do untitled to whatever you've called it. You do okay. Then it'll be there. And then get something from here. I'll also put this in the description. So just get any pictures, the Scarlet Commander. I'm gonna use this skin. Drop it into Photoshop. Just put it like in a good angle that you'd like it. Okay, now since it's in a good angle, you go back to this one. Oh yeah, and if I haven't said, it'll be in the link in the description. Choose any color. I'll just first go here. Okay. Okay. So choose any number you'd like. So just for this, I'll choose number 9 in yellow. Then you go. It'll take you to number 9, or whatever you do. You don't have to do number 9. You do duplicate layer again. This is where you put it as. I'm gonna do 9. It feels number 9 highlights. Then look, if you go back, it will be there. And then if you want, you can do a hashtag. You can add text as well. It'll be in that font. And then do Control T while you're on the thing. You can do this with it. When you've done that, you do tick. And if you want to make it look even more better, you go here. Then you do filter, lens blur. It should open up a new window, but since I've just done it, it'll be like that. You can play around with this and it'll be good. And also, if you wanted to be even more better, you could do this glow thing. Change it to whatever you want. Right. Down's decent. Yeah, you can do whatever you want to this. Then you could do okay, then you put the glow. Then look, I'll do another one. So I'll come back when I've found a picture. Okay, there's also another one you could do. Credits to this guy that gave me the idea. Subscribe to me. He'll also be in the description. I think actually says subscribe to me. So this is for like live streaming, so then you do download. Okay, so then you've got all of these. For this one you don't even need to do anything. So start by doing the blaze. Resize it. And then you do this. Oh yeah, I forgot that's from the drive. Do you do clickbait for, I don't know why it's called clickbait, but you do that. Control T, so you can resize it. Then you go back to your thing you've done it in. You can get these and put it around the blaze. You can do behind, I would do behind. If you want to do behind, just put that underneath. Then now it's time for, you can do this red tag. This is for live stream, so you just red tag, put some text in it. You can just put whatever you want. For example, I'll just do live. And then try to position it. I think that'll be good. No, a bit too small. Okay, now that I've positioned it, I'll do Control T on. I'll do Control T on this while I'm on live. Control T. Well, I'll first make a bit smaller if it's like my size. Okay, well, fit in perfectly. Well, it doesn't have to be perfect. And I'll do this. You can change the color. I'll just do white. And then, if you right click, do blending options. You can do stroke. That makes it look better. Then, if you go back, you can also get this. And then you can also get this. So that's just getting ready for it. Okay, then you get the cash coupon if you want. I need to press tick. You can also get the cash coupon. I'll put it underneath the sunburst. No, put it above the sunburst actually. And you can also do Control T on this. And then you could write solo. And then you could do cash cut. And then I would make this a bit smaller. Make this a bit smaller as well. And then I'd probably add some effects to this. Maybe like a stroke. Then I would also add some effects to the blaze. Maybe like outer glow. Do drop shadow as well. I don't know why it's not working. Yeah, you could do like an outer thing. You could just test some things. Yeah, I would do inner glow. Or inner shadow, yeah. I would do just inner shadow. Like, just do whatever you want to it. I'd probably make this a bit smaller. Maybe just like that. Yep, and now you've made 2 thumbnails. You can also move the sunburst behind the skin if you want. Yep, and that's how you do thumbnails. Quite easy. And also I forgot to say it has to be 1280 by 720. But yeah.